back to another episode of Note 8. This time we'll be looking at reproduction. First off, we'll be starting off by defining reproduction. As we see here, reproduction is a biological process of producing a new generation of individuals of a species from a parent or parents of said species. So within reproduction, it's basically how a species continues throughout time, as one individual may be degraded due to such instances such as environmental conditions, physical conditions, or other mental conditions that the organism may face within their environment. Now, there are two types of reproduction: sexual and asexual reproduction. With asexual reproduction, as we see here through this definition, it's reproduction by a single organism without production of gametes. This usually takes place on the cellular level, as in one cell would duplicate, basically making a continuation of itself. And with sexual reproduction is the fusion of two gametes to form a zygote, which develops into a new organism. This can also take place on the cellular level, but it's usually with multicellular or more complex organisms that take part in sexual reproduction. So with these two different types of reproduction, we do have meiosis and meiosis taking place within the division of the cells themselves, and with the meeting of the gametes, as we know for humans and other biological creatures such as animals, we have sperm and the egg. With the sperm, it is composed of the head, the middle section, and the tail. The head of the sperm is where the nucleus is. This contains mostly the DNA of the male that will be combined with the egg to produce the new offspring. Within that head, it also contains the acrosome. The acrosome contains the vital nutrients needed for the egg as well as other proteins within it. It also contains a centriole and a mitochondria, as every other cell would contain in order to power itself. And it has its tail, or its flagellae, which would rotate, allowing it to be propelled throughout the semen in the urethra, or the semen within the urethra upon ejaculation. Within asexual reproduction, one cell divides to make many others. As we know, with microscopic organisms, they would divide, multiplying themselves and making new members of said generations that go on throughout time. And I'll go more in depth into the gametes and the different types of cell division, such as meiosis and mitosis, in my other videos as well. Thank you and goodbye.